What's up, guys? Travis with DNA Restorations. Today was pretty much a polish and decal kind of day. I know the audio sucks on my phone. I'm already aware. I'm gonna get a new one soon, but too lazy to get to the phone store and too cheap. So just bear with me for the next couple of videos until I do. But here you are. This is a week and a half worth of tank restorations. So fun.
We party through the fucking thing now. To the outside, and the fucking side. Okay, I'm gonna go now.
Morning, guys. This is what my transit to work looks like this morning. Unfortunately, my paint booth is at home, so anytime I have a big load of paint projects for the weekend, this is what my Monday morning transit looks like. So this would be a terrible day to get any kind of fender bender. Could you imagine these things bouncing around in here, destroying each other? Ugh, I'd be sick. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna spend my day doing, is cleaning up light paint imperfections, spot buffing it, and polish out, decal, and ship out some tanks. So I'll post some videos and pictures of that afterwards.